Good day everyone, Ali's here from Safi Financial Network. Today is December 14, 2022. Here is S&P 500 chart, and we had Federal Reserve announcement today, Fed meeting. As expected, Federal Reserve increased the interest rate another 50 basis point. Market didn't like the dot plot plan for the next year because they insist on a more interest rate. They have more hawkish tone. They want to keep the interest rate until inflation is getting back to the normal rate, which is Federal Reserve targeting for 2%. And they believe that interest rate would be staying for 5%. Or more or less 5% next year. The entire next year would be 5%. 2024 would be 4%, and then 2025 would be 3% or so. So Federal Reserve is very confirmed that and very I would say certain about the tone, about the rate, about the inflation. Still, they're insisting on the hot job market is not good for the economy longer term. They want to have like a cooler job market, so that's why they want to keep the interest rate as high as is. So market didn't like the tone, market didn't like the verbiage, and that's why market reacted. Somehow we should see yesterday price action shows the same. So market was not sure if Federal Reserve and all the CPI numbers actually are good in favor as they priced in, because market priced in for lower rate or kind of like a dovish tone and a lower CPI, but the CPI just disappointed everyone first. I know it was a slightly lower than expectation, but Federal Reserve tone confirmed that they are not happy with this downtrend, that they wanted to see more and more downside for the inflation, which is not going to happen next year. So all in all, it was pretty technical. As a chartist, we just look at the chart, and I know that fundamental news can help out the market for the upside or downside. But as a chartist, we expect that somehow market is getting back to the overbought condition, and fair enough, we had this candle to the downside. However, we are getting a buy signal again for the market. This is kind of like a topping formation, and this consolidation shows that we are getting back to the oversold condition in a very short term. However, a weekly chart, I believe everyone needs to pay attention to that. So we are at the top and we are at the overbought condition in weekly chart. So any buy signal from daily chart shows here the daily chart, that would be just the short-term correction within the bigger time frame or bigger downtrend time frame, right? So just pay attention to that one. Where are you standing, which time frame you're looking at, and what's your expectation of the market. So all in all, market just hold up pretty well above SMA 20, and this is just the aftermarket. I posted this video. So market still hold up pretty well this 3900 level. However, it couldn't reach out even to the lower higher high. I believe another topping formation is happening probably December 16 to December 23rd. So where are we at? Do we expect another higher high? Probably even we see another higher high. I don't rule that one out, but that would be a minimal upside target, I would say. Just that this is a megaphone pattern or apex pattern. This is very aggressive pattern. If it breaks to the upside or downside, that would be very sharp reaction. For now, it doesn't react very well, so we need to wait for more confirmation. For now, I would say as long as we are below this level, which is yesterday top, and we are above this level, which is 3920, we are into consolidation range. And when this one breaks down, or breaks up, I would expect even breakup would be just a stop hunting. I'm not expecting a sharp spike to the upside or something like that to 4,500 or so. So the August top would be the top for the market, I would say, at least for 2022. And any movement to the upside would be below this level. So just keep an eye on that one. And also I'm just looking for another lower low, probably in January 2023. So again, market probably go higher high and then roll over to the lower low, or breaking through here to the downside, and then just the choppy sloppy going down to the lower low. But this is my ultimate target for 2023 January, and I just waiting for that one. So still I'm just looking for more confirmation to get back to the short position, heavy short position, I would say, because the downside target would be very, very tentative. Going to 4 hours short, here is the 4 hours short. Market had a nice reaction to this dynamic trend line. This pattern actually works perfect, going to the upside, nominal high, then coming back down. So this is a reaction to the Federal Reserve meeting, and then market just after that, even I think it was like a 10 minutes to the Powell to the end of the Powell's speech, market just reacting very well and sharply going back up to the upside. But here is the selling area, and market just pricing another higher lower high, and that's how we see another shooting star, something like this. So this is not a pattern of strength, this is pattern of weakness. And if we break below this, especially if we take out this low, it's going to be like a hard knife through the butter. So it's going to just cut it all the way to the downside, probably to this area. So just be careful about this. If you don't know how to manage your position, you better stay on the side and don't trade at all. If you want to trade, just make sure that manage your positions and be careful about it. So here is the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart was pretty good actually for me today. I had a couple of scalping, and especially with this up move, I reload to the short position and nicely gain, and then ended up with nice profit today. So I didn't post it just because it was too risky for people out there, but I just did it myself. So it is very, very nice formation to the upside. I was waiting for this level, for the pink line you see, 4060, to just sell a signal to everyone. Hey, this is my short level, but market didn't react. It did react very well, but I didn't touch it there. So that's why I didn't send out the signal. For the Nasdaq I sent out, it didn't triggers, and market just smashed all the way down to here. If you just zoom back here, you see here's the level that market reacted very well. So in this wide range bar, stretched down all the way and then coming back up. However, this pattern still needs to work out. So it is not finished, it is not finalized. This Friday would be option expiry for the months of December, and that's going to be quadruple witching option expiry for the last quarter of 2022. Okay, so stay tuned with that one as well. Still lots of volatilities coming Thursday, which is tomorrow, and Friday as well. I think I covered everything. If you like this video, as always, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your network, just because that's going to be the least help from you folks to develop these videos daily, as I'm doing every day. Have a wonderful weekend. See you on the chart. Bye bye.